Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you in the 65 plate Vauxhall Adam S. So with it being the S model, it is the top of the range model, so it's powered by the 1.4 turbo petrol engine which produces 150 brake horsepower, and in a car what's as little and as light as this, it will be a fun little car to drive around. But the car itself is finished in this solid white paintwork, and with a contrast red roof, mirror caps, it really is a stunning looking Adam. But as we come around them through the front of the vehicle, you've got the LED daytime running lights, you've got the chrome detailing in the centre grille. With it being the Adam S, you get the more sportier front bumps, you get these the lower grille there behind the number plate. But then as we come in down the driver's side, again it's free from any major dents or scratches. You've got rear privacy glass on this one as well. You've got your Adam S detailing onto the rear window, and then alloys wise we're riding on these 18-inch 5 split spoke alloy wheels, and they're finished in a lovely grey and diamond turn finish. As we then come through to the rear, with it being the S model, you get this aggressive rear boot spoiler as standard, which really is good looking. As you then come through to the rear, you get the single exit exhaust pipe with a gloss black mini diffuser in the rear bumper. Taking a close look then into the boot, with it being an Adam, you don't really get much boot space, but it is quite a deep boot, so still plenty of storage. Parcel shelf is present, and then if we take a closer look under the boot floor, you've got your towing eye as well. But then looking at the boot plastic, it's all in lovely order, it's not had anything chucked in. Coming in down the passenger side, bumper corner, looking down the vehicle again, it's all in lovely order throughout. Same with the alloys, they're all in good condition as well. But then jumping inside, this is where you get one of the really sought after features in one of these Adams. It's got the full Recaro interior, which was a £2,000 optional extra. And then as you take a close look around, you've got the S detailing throughout, and then if we look at the rear seats, they're all in lovely order as well. But running through specification wise, you've got front electric windows, electric mirrors, you've got this cruise and limit control on this leather multifunction steering wheel, and then you've got digital climate control, USB and AUX input. The vehicle itself is on a 6-speed manual. And then as we jump inside, the mileage on the vehicle is only covered 39,359 miles. Audio, you've got full DAB radio with all the extended channels, full Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, Apple Carplay and Android Auto is present. And then you've also got the added benefit of eco mode, heated steering wheel and heated front seats as well, which is going to be perfect for these winter months. Locking wheel nut and boot pack are present in the glove box. Condition of the passenger seats all in lovely order. 2 keys are supplied with the vehicle. But any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. And thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.